Hello everyone, we are Team PyGram, and this video showcases our prototype for the problem statement AI-based timetable generation system aligned with NEP 2020 for multidisciplinary education structures. This comes under the theme Smart Automation. So let me show you a prototype. This here is the prototype that we created. To brief on the problem, we know that every semester, colleges and other organizations in India struggle to create a perfect conflict-free timetable for all the classes. Now, with the implementation of NEP 2020 policy, higher education institutions which have programs like B.Ed, M.Ed, FYUP, etc., all have adopted multidisciplinary structures that have made manual timetable generation highly complex and very time consuming. So for this, today we propose this solution, which is the Academic Compass. Academic Compass is an AI-based timetable generation system aligned with the NEP 2020 policy for multidisciplinary education structure. So let's get into it. Getting to the sign-in page. We have 4 roles, which is the admin, creator, publisher, and student. The creator is the one who will create timetables. Publisher will review and verify them before publishing, and students will be able to view the timetable. Admin is there to oversee everything. So firstly, we'll get into the creator account. This is a faculty created account. This is the dashboard. Here mainly you can see 3 options, which is create with AI assistant, the hybrid scheduler, and view timetables. For creating timetables, we also have the option of creating with according to the either odd semesters or even semesters. We can go in and we can create for all odd semesters or choose the semester we want to create. But firstly, let's go to the AI creator. AI creator is the one who will create timetables according to our request. Here we can request like assign this professor to this subject on this day, etc., etc. For now, let's go with create demo timetables. We'll give it the command. And now you can see that the AI has generated our timetable. Here. You can properly see that all of the faculties have been assigned, all of the subjects have been assigned according to days and their times. We can also see the room numbers. We have now the option of checking timetables and publishing it to HOD. What this publishing will do is that it will send it to the creator faculty publisher section for verifying the timetable. We can also export PDF. Exporting PDF will download the timetable on our PC, and we can also send to publish. This will send it for verifying the timetable. I'll show you an example of downloaded timetable. This is the timetable that was downloaded after exporting. You can clearly see the faculties, the room numbers, the subjects, the time, etc. Another option that we have is the hybrid scheduler. So in the hybrid scheduler, we use a combination of CP-SAT and genetic algorithm for our hybrid approach. Basically, here are some rules that are the constraints. There are hard constraints and soft constraints. For hard constraints, we have faculty cannot teach multiple classes at the same time, or one classroom cannot be allotted to multiple subjects simultaneously. Soft constraints include stuff like assign subjects to faculty based on their preferences, etc. Now we'll select a semester, for example, 4th semester, and we'll start the hybrid timetable generation. So now our timetable is generated. We can view the timetable. Here we can see that all the subjects have been clearly assigned. There is no conflict. And we can see the classrooms that have been assigned to professors, etc. And now we can send it to publishing. We get a notification that it has been sent. So basically what the hybrid scheduler does is that first we have to define the soft and hard constraints. We can select which one we have to choose. And they are like rules that the timetable must obey. Then a hybrid algorithm adheres to those rules and is optimized to get the best possible outcome for the timetable. Now I'll explain to you the other options in the navigation tab. We have the events. So the creator faculty can create and manage events. Here we can event title, event type, description, their time, their priority, etc. Everything we can create, and we'll see when which event has been allotted. We can also update the events. Here we can see the event queue, which events come first, their priority, etc. and if they have any conflicts. Here we have faculty and their information. We can see their name, employee ID, specialization. We can also add the faculty according and their departments, etc. Here we have subjects and their management. We can see the subjects assigned according to the semesters, their credits. We can also see the total credits. These are also segregated to core subjects, lab subjects, etc. Then we have classrooms and their information. For example, this classroom, BF01 is a classroom, not a lab. Its capacity is 60 students. There are not PCs in it. There is a smart board and so on. Here we have student batches. It shows the batches for labs for students for easy handling. It shows which semester the batch is, their year, the number of students in that batch, etc. So this was it for the faculty creator section. Faculty will also get can also get notifications of any conflicts or reviews of timetable, etc. We also have a toggle switch for dark mode and light mode. Now I'll sign out and show you the publisher section. So here we have the faculty publisher. Publisher is the one who will see, review, and verify the timetables. Here we basically have two approaches. It's the hybrid review queue or the standard review. In hybrid review, we'll see the timetables that we just made. For example, this is a timetable that we just made. We can see its quality score. We can see all the subjects that we just assigned, and we can approve or publish it or request any changes in it. Another, we have the standard review. So here we'll see all of the timetables that were generated all over third semester, fourth semester. We can see the conflicts that were detected in the timetable. We can review it, reject it, or approve it. The rest of the things are mostly similar. Now I'll show you the student section. So this is the student section. It will show the name of student, welcome back student name. It will show the major information about students. For example, third semester, their batch number, their roll number, the faculties that teach them. This is the upcoming events and workshop queue. This is a timetable that we just generated. The students can also export it in PDF and Excel formats. By just one click, students will get the updated timetables too. This is the assignment and their deadlines. Student will get when the assignment is due, their due date, the points assigned to it, etc. And this is student's examination schedule. All of this will be shown to the student, and there's also an urgent notification section. And lastly, we'll go to the admin section. The admin is basically here just to oversee all of the activities. Admin will see the live workflow status of the activities happening. For example, timetable creation, review, whether it is approved or not, it's published or not, etc. They'll see the quality score of the algorithms that we are using. And if there are any changes to be made in the code, admin will be the one doing it. So this is basically it for our prototype. And so lastly, I would like to say that in essence, our prototype transforms manual committee-driven scheduling into a smart, adaptive, and NEP compliant solution for all of the modern academy organizations. So I think this is the perfect solution for the problem statement that was given to us. And we did our best and will keep improving on it. Thank you.